Hi Joe, this is Tim with JH Barkau and Sons in Cedarville. This is the 2004 Ford E-350 11-passenger Econoline van with a 6-liter PowerStroke diesel. Just going to do a little exterior walk around on it for you here and show you what good condition this van really is in. We just put new tires on it all the way around. Here's the little spot that I was talking to you about, right down here. See along the edge of the seam here, right in the middle, about a 2-foot long piece. There's just a little spot where the paint's bubbling up. Up inside the fender well, along the frame, a little spot there where salt and rock chips and stuff have hit. Back tire, little place on the bumper here. This has a rear step bumper on it. Spot here where the paint's chipped off. Inside the passenger side wheel well in the back. This side's this is good over here. So that little spot right there by the front door. That's what I say, it's like, you know, it's a 2004, it's 11 model years old. That's why I rated it 7.5 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. We've put 2 new batteries in it too. It's had new fuel filters in it. Should be ready to go. And my name's Tim. Phone number is 815-718-9288. This is the 2004 Ford Econoline E-350 11-passenger van with a 6-liter PowerStroke. Hope this helps, Joe. Look forward to hearing back from you. Bye.